Hi, my name is Nick Caruso, and this is a explanation of AutoStore's PDF encryption capabilities. So an AutoStore sends documents via PDF, especially if they're OCRing documents from a scanned image on a scanner or multifunction device. AutoStore can convert that to a text searchable PDF and can encrypt the PDF and assign a password to it. Here's an example of that workflow. So I received a document from AutoStore, and it's an attachment. It says, please find an attached encrypted PDF. The password will be sent in a following email. So this is a very simple workflow that I've built. And when I open up this PDF, it's going to prompt me for a password. And I'm going to type in the password, and now I can go ahead and use this document. This is a 128-bit AES encrypted PDF, and I have a separate email here that actually has the password. So this is a very nice feature where I can send two emails, one which would be the encrypted PDF, and the follow-up email would be the password. Now, this is just an example configuration. We can certainly not send the unlocked password. So let me show you how this configuration is done. I'm going to use auto capture for this demonstration. Auto capture allows me to right-click on files and send them through a workflow. And this would just demonstrate what it would be using a multifunction device as well. So I'm going to take my document and I'm going to convert it to a text searchable PDF, and then I'm going to send an email out with that encrypted PDF. I am then going to send a follow-up email with just the password. So I'm sending two emails. The first email will be the encrypted PDF. The second email will just be the password. So let me go into the configuration now. I'm going to click on Form, Send Encrypted PDF, Submit, to email, who I want to send it to, and maybe the password. I'm now going to go ahead and configure my components. I'm going to go and configure the Abby OCR. So I'm going to say yes, activate. Pass through, no. Pass through would just mean I would want to pass on the original scanned image and the PDF. I just want the PDF, so I'm going to say pass through, no. I'm going to go ahead and click apply. Under formatting, under output file format settings, under PDF, there's an encryption option down here. If I click on that encryption option, I can say go ahead and encrypt the PDF. And for most purposes, you're going to say use AES encryption, which is a 128-bit encryption algorithm. Adobe Capture, I believe version 7 and higher, supports AES 128-bit. And the next iteration of our Abby engine will probably support the 256-bit encryption that comes with Adobe 10, I believe, or Adobe X. I can manually type in a password here. I am instead going to use my RRT to dynamically change the password. And I can make it so that this PDF will only be readable, so there's only a user, or a different password for the owner and the user. I'm going to use the same for both. So the password's not going to be password, it's going to be what the user types in at the form submission. And I can control here different features of what you can do if you are the owner versus the user. Alright, so it was just that simple. And now I'm going to go ahead and configure my send to email workflow. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this since this is outside the scope of this training, but I'm just going to quickly fill out the rest of this. Okay, so I've finished building my workflow, and just to show you real quick, again, this is my secure email, my to, and my password. My Abby settings haven't changed. The email address, or the first email, I just filled out the information here. The message is please find attached your encrypted PDF. And I do say on here not to pass through, so it sends the original attachment to this email, and then it sends a follow-up email without the attachment now with the unlocked password. So if I go ahead and run this configuration in AutoStore, I'm going to right click on my file, hit send to secure email. I'm going to type in an email address that I want to send to. Say hello is the password. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. I'll open up Status Monitor so you can see what's happening behind the scenes within AutoStore. You can see here it's OCRing the document. It sent the email out with the attachment. It then sent the follow-up email out with the password, and the email has now been submitted. I'm using Google's public SMTP server. So I'll just take a second and it'll should pop into my email here momentarily. So here are the two emails that just came in. The password to unlock your PDF is hello. And here is the encrypted PDF. I can open it up. It's going to prompt me for a password. I'm going to type in the words hello, and it's now opened up. So hopefully this is helpful. Nice little easy workflow that you can use on all of your secure email scans. Thank you.